We are going to this class, open your phonics books, and we're going to make a review. Yes? Remember in the last class of phonics on Friday, we were working about the units of meaning in a word. So who remembers what are the 3 units of meaning in a word? Who remembers that? What are the 3 units of meaning in a word? Okay, let's see. Ignacio, what are the 3 units of meaning in a word?
Prefix,
Yes.
suffix,
Suffix.
base word.
And base word. Excellent. The 3 units of meaning in a word is base word or root. Remember, both are the same. Prefix and suffix. Those are the units of meaning in a word. Okay, we are going to read 11 sentences on the page 65. Everybody go to your phonics books on page 65. And we're going to read like a review. Remember, all of this on this page, we have already worked in the last class. It is only a review, okay? So are you ready to help me to read the number 1? Who can help me to read number 1? A base word is a word to which a prefix or a suffix may be added to change its meaning. And we have 2 examples. The first one is kind is the base word of unkindly. What is the base word of unlawful? And you have 3 options, guys. On, law, or full. It's time to answer, guys. Now that we finished to read all the sentences on the page 65, we are going to check what were the correct answers. Okay, for the number 1, the base word of unlawful is, remember if you have your correct answer, you raise your finger. The base word of unlawful is law. Remember, you have to circle, guys, and write the word in the correct line. Excellent. I see many of you have correct that. Excellent. The number 2, the base word of uncover is cover. That is the base word. Cover. Excellent. Number 3, the base word of replace is place. With D, without D, replace. Replace. Excellent, guys. Number 4, the root of induction. What is the root? Remember, root and base word are the same. So the root of induction is dot. The root of induction is dot. The root and base word are the same. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have 1 error, you can correct mistakes and you learn better. Okay, that is the answer for number 4. Are you ready for number 5? Okay, the root of relocated is luck. That is the root for relocated, luck. Luck is the root for relocated. Excellent. Okay, I see people that it is checking the answers. Okay, now the other one. The number 6, roots and base words can have, and we have prefixes and suffixes. They can have both prefixes and suffixes. They can have both. Excellent. They can have both prefixes and suffixes. Excellent, guys. Prefixes and suffixes. Number 7, now we go with the prefixes. The prefix of retire, is re. That is the prefix of retire. Re is the prefix of retire. Excellent. Now, number 8, the prefix of projection, is pro. That is the prefix for projection, pro. Excellent. Anderson, are you checking your answers, Anderson? Yes? Okay, I need 2 fingers up, Anderson. Okay, now the other one. The prefix, the meaning of a root or of a base word. And the word is the prefix change. The prefix change the meaning of a root or base word. Change. Okay, excellent, Fausto. Excellent. Okay, the other one. Number 10. The suffix that at the end, the suffix of action is ian. That is the suffix for action, ian. Yes, excellent, guys. The suffix for action is ian. It's so easy, this topic. And finally, the suffix for contentment is ment. That is the suffix for the last one. Ment is the suffix for the last one. Ment. Excellent. Oh, I see that some of you are dancing with the correct answers. Excellent, guys. Okay. Now, guys, we are going to work in your notebooks. Let's go to your notebooks because we need to write the definitions of these 3 important concepts. Definition of base word or root, definition of suffix, and definition of prefix. Everybody go to your notebook. Remember, the first thing that you have to write is the date for today. Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020. That is the date for today. Everybody writing the topic, units of meaning in words. Emmanuel, are you copying in your notebook? You have to copy in your notebook, Emmanuel. Okay, I see the rest of you that are copying. Excellent. The topic, units of meaning in words. Now let's try the first concept. Okay, and wait me a little bit. That not this one. The first one. A base word or root, you can write it in another color of pen. And the definition is a word to which a prefix or a suffix may be added to change its meaning. Okay? Remember to use pen, okay? Different colors of pen. Remember to write this example. Prefix on, base word kind, suffix ly. Okay, we can continue to the other one. The other important concept is a prefix. So write this definition. A prefix is a word part add in front of a root or a base word, in front. Remember, I told you the example. My computer is in front of me. So the prefixes will be located in front of the word. And the prefixes change the meaning of a base word or root. So write it this. Remember, prefix in another color of pen. It can be red, it can be blue. You choose the correct or the best color of pen. Right now, only one example. You choose or write on happy like an example or autograph like an example. You choose. One example. This is the last concept. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a root or a base word at the end. Remember, I have the example. The wall is in my back. So that is the suffix, that it is at the end of the word. This is very shorter. That is very shorter. Let's write one example, only one. You can choose or worker or beatable. Only one example you have to write, okay? Only one example you have to write for these two words. Worker, is the suffix, or beatable, able is the suffix. Remember, only one example. Book, okay? Let's go to your book. We have 2 minutes left. I'm going to explain you what is going to be about the next page, okay? Let's go to the page 66, okay? Page 66. If you finish, let's go to your book, page 66. Okay, so what you are going to do in the page 66, you have a chart like this, and you have to divide the word into base word, prefix, or suffix. For example, we have the first word, unbeatable, unbeatable. So I'm going to give you one example. My base word is beat. That is my base word, beat. My prefix is on. That is my prefix. And my suffix is able. So you have to divide the words into base word, prefix, and suffix. If it is better for you to take first the prefix that you know that is at the beginning, then the base word, and at the end the suffix, okay? That is what you have to do in the page 66. Okay, if you can continue working, guys, it is better, okay? In the 20 minutes that you have recess, if you can continue working on the page 66, it is